I'm really excited to have the surgery. I'm actually going down to a smaller implant that's more proportioned to my body. And the second procedure that I'm doing is a little lipo with a fat graft.
Let me hear a little bit about you. What brings you in?
After I had the second child, I was really eager to get back on the set. So I had a little bit of lipo done on the stomach.
Okay.
And I didn't get the result that I really, really wanted. And partly that's my fault. I know you're supposed to probably wait 6 months.
It's recommended. I mean, well, it's just because. How much weight did you gain with the pregnancies?
34 pounds, both children.
Really, exactly the same?
Exactly, and they were both 7'7".
Wow, that's unusual. So you're right, maybe that was jumping the gun just a little bit by going in a month early.
And I had to get back to work. You know, I had to be in a bathing suit 2 months later.
We'll get you a gown.
Okay.
Come back in.
Okay, great. So first,
yes.
Stomach.
So what I want to do is get rid of the donut, which is this loose skin.
Please.
And then a little bit in your little love handles over here. I want to get rid of these, okay, and shape you a little bit. But what I want to do is graft or put a little bit of fat back into this dent. So this canvas is nice and smooth again. What size were you? Was this about the size
Full D right now.
And what were you before pregnancy? Still the same size?
No, probably an E.
An E?
Oh, they were huge.
Okay.
I could not stand. That's probably why I want them smaller now, because I just remember how huge they were. So let me know when we can do this, because I'm ready.
Well, sooner the better, I guess. I'm going to let you get dressed this time.
Thank you.
Okay? And I'll see you soon.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Morning.
Good morning.
You excited?
I am.
Today's the day. I'm going to have you come over here and we'll do some marks on you.
Okay.
A lot of people may look at Angelica and say, wow, she has a perfect body already. You know, I wish I had that body. But the thing that they don't understand is this isn't perfect for her. Before babies, she was a lot better. We need to give her back the body she had, the body she's used to, the body that she misses. All right, here's the dent.
Yep.
Good old dent, so we're gonna fill that, right?
Cool, yep.
And then this sort of stuff here, we got this loose skin and stuff, but really the donut I'm talking about goes like this, okay? And within the donut, you got a dent. So this we're gonna fill. I'm gonna borrow some from here. Fill them. And here we're just going to take some out and give you a little bit of a better waistline, okay? So that's going to be... Awesome. It's also going to be where I borrow the fat from. So breasts, I want to get these up perkier. Okay. Reshape them, make them a little rounder. Maybe make the cleavage a little better. Okay. Get them away from the sides. Yes. Okay? That way you're going to look thinner. It's going to look a little prettier being up here, a little more natural, a little rounder, just nicer. Okay, good. I'm so excited. Yay. All right, we'll get you ready to go. Okay, I'm ready. And next time I see you, we'll be in the operating room. Okay. Angelica came in with some of the typical complaints for a mommy makeover. This is a woman who before her babies was working in bikinis and showing her body off for a living. After having the baby, she saw some changes. This really affected her as far as her self-confidence and working in front of the camera. So I think after the surgery, she's going to have her pre-baby body back, and I think it may even be a little bit better. And Angelica's kind of journey from having babies back to pre-baby body, she did a lot of the work for me with working out and dieting. At this point, I took her that last step of the journey. I was able to make her breasts look younger, perkier, and just a little bit smaller. Although she didn't have a large volume of liposuction, it was a little more challenging because she doesn't have a lot of fat. So every little bit of fat that you take out, you have to be very careful not to leave a dent. So we're just gonna have to wait it out now and see how she looks down the road.
We got through it, baby.
My only complaint right now is I was just a little chilly.
That's what I want to hear. Yeah. Like I said, I don't think recovery is going to be that rough. Okay, I put a lot of numbing stuff in the breast. I don't think you'll feel any of that, and it's going to be smooth.
Yeah. Hey, you look bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. You don't look like you had surgery.
Come on, Mom.
That's sickening. You don't look like you had surgery.
Stop it.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing great, actually. Yeah? Yes.
I like great. Good to see you. It's been about 2 weeks since Angelica's surgery, and I'm excited to see her. Yeah, we got a little ways to go, 2 weeks, so it's going to continue to get smoother and softer and smaller. So if you like it now.
Oh my gosh, then I'm really going to love it.
Let's take a look at the breasts. I want to see how they're healing, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
All right, so perfect shape already. Good cleavage, areolas. Perfect.
I know, right?
They're healing perfect. There's any bruising. How was the recovery? Fine? Not too much pain?
No pain.
Perfect.
Not at all. Overall, even though maybe most people would never notice it except for me, it just changes everything for me, because even though it's, you know, a physical change, it mentally changes your attitude, just about what you wear, how you feel, how you look.
You're doing perfect. Just keep on doing whatever you're doing.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Great.
Thank you. It's my first show with Strawberry Blonde since I had the surgery, and normally I'm super critical of every single thing. And tonight, I'm feeling good about everything. I'm ready to go, and I'm wearing my two-piece, and I couldn't be happier. Since the surgery, just getting those little parts fixed, it just feels great. It's like a free pass to new life, new adventure. The breasts, they're a little bit smaller. Believe it or not, they may not look smaller, but they are smaller. They're smaller, they're perkier, they're more youthful. There was actually a dimple here before in my stomach, and it's gone. Everything is just flattened. There was like a little bit of a love handle here. It's gone. I mean, from every angle, I can't complain.